Hey everyone, Not Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hersheyettes Christmas cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. So I am going to be making about 18 to 20 cookies. You can easily make 3 dozen if you just multiply everything in my recipe to make double. So we need a half a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of granulated sugar, a fourth a cup of butter softened, so that's half a stick, a fourth a cup of oil, I'm just using vegetable oil, 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, a fourth a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sprinkles. So I didn't have enough sprinkles out of one package, so I made some really pretty sprinkles using a whole bunch of my holiday sprinkles that I had. And then a half a cup of Hersheyettes. So everybody knows in the allergy world how much we love these Hersheyettes because they're like M&Ms, but they're safe for our peanut and tree nut allergy kiddos. So I found those at Kroger's. They have them at Walmart too and some other places. So I used 2 packages of the little candy cane Hersheyettes. We're going to use about 4 per cookie. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 and line a big baking sheet with parchment paper, or 2 if you want to do that as well. Alright, so first we're going to cream together our butter, oil, and sugars with an electric mixer until they're nice and combined. Alright, now I'm going to add in my egg and beat it until it is fluffy. Alright, that looks great. So next we're going to add in everything else. So that is the baking soda, salt, baking powder, vanilla, and flour, and we're just going to mix that till it's combined. Alright, I scraped down the sides with a spatula and just made sure everything was incorporated. So next we're going to fold in our sprinkles. I am just loving the way this looks already. It looks so festive. So next, using a cookie scoop, we're going to just put these on our parchment lined baking sheet. And I'm just going to space mine about 2 inches apart. Alright, my cookies are all on my baking sheet. So next I'm just going to add about 4 Hersheyettes on top of each one. So you just want to press it down and press those Hersheyettes right on top. Alright, those look pretty good to me. I just gently pushed them down a little bit with my hand or my spatula and then just added my Hersheyettes on top. So next we are going to go ahead and put these in the oven for 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, my first batch of cookies is out of the oven, and it is crazy because at first they were really poofy, and I actually ended up cooking them an additional 7 minutes because they really didn't look done. But if you just let them sit for a little bit, then they flatten out. So I might try to lessen the time on my second batch. But I'm going to let these cool for a second and transfer them to a cooling rack and get the second batch in the oven. Alright, in my second batch, I actually got 13 cookies, so I had to shorten how many Hersheyettes I put on them to 3, and then actually a couple of them only got 2. I just didn't have enough, but they should be fine. So I'm going to get these in the oven, and I'm going to put these in for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to check them. If I still don't think they're done, I might leave them in up to 12 minutes. Alright, my second batch just came out of the oven. Like I said, I let them cook for 10 minutes this time. And like you can see how puffy they are when they first come out. And then it's so crazy, they just get flatter. So we are going to let these cool off and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, nothing more. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Alright, like, subscribe.
Merry Christmas!